Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lumsopho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
का भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड हकीतर उड़ीसा और हजार अरफो कला प्लाट पेटबा या का भारत एयर फाइबर हाई स्पीड ब्रॉडबैंड हा शिलोंग या का अनसपंत्रिकम हकी खट खंडाई लिगिशनोंग जो जिला मेघालय बरो कवे खनांग बन पिंचना शुशु या का जिंग शकरी शकी पाटबा नोंग शक्शनोंग जो जिला हकबे दे बात का जिंग पंतुलन या का जिंग शकरी कटकम कने का जुक गवर्नमेंटा उ चीफ जनरल मैनेजर टेलीकॉम उबी चंद्रशेखर हकजी क्रम गिला पथाई को बोर रहे थो बाका BSNL कन्नो का कंपनी तरीकम बनिंगकोंग ए हगरी बन पनट कामी की तैयार बलतेप कुम का स्काइलो बट या का भारत एयर फाइबर हाई स्पीड ब्रॉडबैंड और सपन तरीकम कन्नो बा शिलोंग उमयाम तुरा जोआई क्लियरियात नोंगस्टोन नोंगपो सोरा विलियम नगर बट हमायरंग.
You know, we are having copper cable, then optical fiber cable. Whenever somebody wants a connection, we either provide on copper or fiber. But new areas, to lay fiber or to lay copper takes a lot of time. So if somebody wants, like for example, when we have this air fiber, suppose Nachumer area, on top of the hill somebody wants a connection. We can provide in a day. Just one antenna we have to keep on top of our building and one more on his rooftop. In a day we can provide the connection. There is no need to lay optical fiber, which is again prone to so much disturbance and all. People can, people cut it, or when tree branches fall it gets cut. With the Bharat Air Fiber we can provide connection very fast. At the same time, maintenance also is very good.
From one tower, Maupo tower he has put first one. From the tower, it covers a distance of 3 to 5 kilometers. Now in entire Shillong, including the rural periphery, he can cover with these 7 towers. And each tower 5 kilometers is the radius. As long as customer home is within this 5 kilometer radius, he can provide the connection. And that why we are promising 24 to 48 hours is, suppose somebody gives an application today, then only thing what William has to do is channel partner. He takes that customer premises equipment to that residence of the customer, wherein on top of the customer house, he puts that round antenna, whatever we shown. And that's it. It is a instantaneous activation like a mobile. So 48 hours is the max where a customer can get the service. And why we are telling it, this is a most promising service. In fiber, one has to pull the fiber to your residence. Now here there is no question of that one, only antenna installation is there, and that can be done within 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah.
And second thing is tariff plan is most attractive. Here we are starting with 499 rupees plan. 499 rupees is more apt for the rural customer and semi-urban customer, wherein a speed gives 8 Mbps and the total value per month is almost 3 GB per day we are giving.